Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about Euro USD pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 21st July to 25th July 2025. So let's go straight to our chart. So first let's see what happened in Euro USD on Friday. So as you can see 0.21% positive move, 1.16189 was the closing on Friday. So here I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week, and even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And also I'll be sharing my opinion on what will happen or what could happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check the weekly chart first and then we'll talk about some important support and resistance zone. So here in this weekly chart we can see the candle is a bearish candle with lower and upper big wicks are there also. And here if I talk about the stochastic RSI is around overbought area, which gives us an indication of a negative move. But remember, as I always say, we should not depend only on RSI or other indicators. We should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark important support and resistance zone on one day chart. So let's open the one day chart. So as you can see, I've already opened the one day chart. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon for more such weekly analysis. So the levels are now marked. Let's now talk about the closing. As you can see, the levels are already marked. I'm not seeing any different events or different data which helps me to change anything. So currently, if I talk about the closing, 1.16189 is the closing. Direct support is 1.16000. Direct resistance is 1.16500. Here after direct support, there is a support of 1.15500 and then 1.15079. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 1.16921 and then 1.17454. Here if you are from India and thinking that how can I trade Forex market from India, then I have already shared two prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. If you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I have already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works, and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my Forex playlist. Do consider checking that out. So now let's talk about my opinion in Euro USD. So according to the previous week data, my expectation is on the positive end. I'm expecting a positive move in this range, that is 1.16500 to 1.16921. I'm expecting a closing in this range. If you are looking for any negative or a short trade, only look for a short trade when 1.16000 gets breached and a one day candle closes below this level. After this, we can see a momentum till 1.15500, and if this also gets breached, then we will see a 1.15079 level also. So do consider this and only make a trade on the short side. My expectation is in positive move in this range. What are your expectations? Do let me know in the comment section. And if you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.